This is a poem called Mann, and it's just the things I think of when I think of the island. I've breathed this island. Marshmallows and crackers, smoke from secret youthful fires, lit with crumbling books, well-versed with crawling, gnawing worms, hungry for words, but met with flame. I've walked this island, ankles much twisted in plantation, on hill, through field, sand from beaches trampled home, shells collected, stone-weighed pockets, clinging to cronk and splashing through shallows. I've rode this island, first pass touring from southern beauty to northern expanse, western cliffs and all in between. Desperate, jumpy horseback hacks clinging to thick, heavy mane, juddering bikes rode and pushed uphill to slide back down again, pedaling, forgotten. I've left this island. Tears, cars, trains, boats, planes, nights spent in thudding ruckus clubs. Days on the Tyne, Hadrian's proud wall, rolling fields by crumbling leftovers. Never forgotten friends. But I've returned to this island. It's in my bones. There's nowhere else to be. Sun dropping behind blackening castle, sky further than you can see. Dunes and sand, endless sand. Seals flop, singing out of tune, twisting ever out of focus. There's views that I just can't pass to you. Trees yet to be climbed. I've returned to this island. It's in my bones.